Hello, my nearest and dearest friends, my ladies. How have you been? I hope everything is fine and you are ready to start the lesson. I do read your comments, and I took last comment of Pani Bożenka very seriously about the topics which she would like to have. So today's lesson is a bit different. It's about cooking. I know you are into cooking. To be into cooking, być zainteresowanym, lubić gotowanie, to be into cooking. So that's why I've decided to choose this topic. To put everything in one, your today's task consists of two things: watching the video and activities. Wasze dzisiejsze zadanie składa się z dwóch części: wideo i ćwiczenia. Today you are going to learn how to make perfect chocolate chip cookies. Dzisiaj nauczycie się, jak przygotować idealne czekoladowe ciasteczka. I know you a little bit, and despite the fact you like cooking, I also know that you are into sweets. By the way, who doesn't like chocolate cookies? Okay, enough of my talking, let's start. In a second you are going to watch a video. Zaraz puszczę Wam nagranie i tylko chciałam zwrócić uwagę na to, żebyście nie martwiły się o słownictwo. Będziecie miały napisy, poza tym późniejsze moje zadania będą miały dużo wspólnego ze słownictwem. So, as I said, tak jak powiedziałam, no worries. Don't worry, you will be given everything. Are you ready? Let's watch how to prepare perfect chocolate chip cookies.
Hi everyone, Marcella here. So I'm going to show you how to make tasty, chewy, and soft classic chocolate chip cookies with no additional ingredients. So keep watching. First, we're going to cream the 1 cup of softened butter, and I usually microwave mine for about 30 seconds, so it's very creamy just like this, with 1 cup of brown sugar and ½ cup granulated sugar. So cream those together until well incorporated. Now we're going to add 2 beaten eggs. Mix that together. And add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Time to combine the dry ingredients. I have 2 1/4 cups plus 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Going to mix it together. You can use a whisk or you can sift this into your wet ingredients directly. We're going to fold in our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So I'll do about half first, fold it in, and we'll add the rest. It's time to add our 2 cups of chocolate chips, and we'll just fold it in. You can use a stand mixer or an electric mixer because this can get tiring. But this is how I usually make my cookies. You get a good workout. Once we have it all combined, we're going to refrigerate it for 48 hours. So you're not baking this today, but you won't regret waiting 48 hours. Now it's time to bake. It's been 48 hours. I'm going to go ahead and scoop these out and roll them into 1-inch balls. If you like, you can roll them into balls before you chill them. Just like that. We'll place them on our cookie sheet, about 2 inches apart. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 9 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your cookies and your oven. Baking time will vary. Beautiful cookies, nice golden brown edges, and as they cool, the caramelized sugars will harden, creating those crispy edges. Nice crispy edges, soft and chewy cookies.
Yes, really nice, crispy, and delicious because I've tried them not even once. Naprawdę są idealne pod każdym względem, musicie mi uwierzyć, bo nieraz je próbowałam z tego przepisu. A teraz, jak Wam obiecałam, mam krótkie ćwiczenia. Here is exercise 1 for you. Tutaj dla Was pierwsze zadanie. Select the ingredients. Ingredients to są składniki, wybierz składniki, which are not mentioned in the video, których nie było w nagraniu. Here I would like you to answer my questions. Tutaj chciałabym, żebyście odpowiedziały na 6 moich pytań. And the last activity for you i ostatnie dla Was zadanie. Put the sentences in the correct order. Trzeba uporządkować podane zdania. Tutaj pomogę Wam troszkę ze słownictwem. Fold in. Fold in. Co to może oznaczać? Pamiętacie? Dodać, zmieszać. Dry ingredients. Słowo ingredients już znamy. Dry, suche. Suche produkty. Składniki. Add 2 beaten eggs. Ubite jajka. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Let the cookies chill and enjoy them. Tak, czyli pozwólcie, żeby ciastka wystygły. To chill. Please, let me know if you like this task. Dajcie mi znać, czy takie zadanie Wam się podoba. And of course, if you use this recipe. I też, czy skorzystacie z tego przepisu. I wish you nice baking and delicious chocolate chip cookies. I hope you will like them. And, well, I wish you a nice afternoon. Talk to you soon. Stay tuned. Bye bye.